Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP hasn't really moved on the weekend, and we are still moving in this particular range here that we've been talking about now for a few days. And in yesterday's video, more specifically, we talked about the potential again of a triangle pattern forming here. We haven't got enough price data really to confirm it. Normally, you can only confirm a triangle as soon as you have 3 waves complete. In this case, that would be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And in this particular C wave, we're still moving in this C wave, yeah? So I only really have 2 waves at the moment, 2.5 basically. So the idea is that we are in a corrective structure. We call that a B wave at the moment. A B wave triangle is unfolding. Yes, there are different ways to interpret this. This at the moment is my primary wave count. It is still possible that we are going down more directly, okay? So that would be the, let's say, the alternative wave count. And all of these basically lead to the same scenario, which would be another low below the 43 cent level, below the 17th of August low. And they are valid as long as the price stays below 55.8 cents, which is the A wave high. So this is range bound. There isn't much going on. It's just moving sideways basically, in 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and this could also become a more complex, maybe WXY structure. It's not entirely clear if this wave W is finished actually. It could be, but if we now see a little bit of a setback, then it's likely the X wave, which is obviously a complex correction, basically a combination pattern where we had an ABC structure in wave W. The X wave would also be an ABC structure. I go to the 30-minute chart, we might see a little bit more detail. So the potential is obviously that we're now in this X wave, which again would typically be an ABC structure. So this is obviously unreliable micro counting, but I give you an idea how this could turn out. A wave, for example, then this could be, I'm just thinking how this could develop. Maybe this was the B wave already, and we're coming down in C. That's highly speculative at this stage. But as long as the price now stays below 50.8 cents, below the wave top of the wave W, we could maybe argue that the X wave the C wave might be unfolding. But it's not really following through to the downside. So we need to keep the option open that maybe this B wave is still developing, maybe one more high here. But, you know, I think generally this seems to be moving a little higher now in a more complex correction. So ideally we get a clearer 3-wave move, but that particular C wave of the triangle could target the 61.8 extension level, which is an ideal target, which is around 53.7 cents. We are currently consolidating here because this is the 38.2 extension, which is the very first target for such a C wave, but it's not long enough. Yeah, it doesn't work well with the proportions. So the 61.8 extension level is more reliable here. It's not a very reliable level itself, so it's not like, okay, this C wave must go there, but it's just the ideal, it's the golden ratio, it's the ideal level basically to reach for such a C wave. So that's what I'm watching. We can calculate that a little bit more precisely once we have a low in place for the X wave, yeah. So yeah, but generally I think here the focus could be a little bit on higher, and that assumption is going to be valid as long as the B wave low isn't broken to the downside. That's the condition, 45.9 cents. That needs to hold to move higher in the C wave, because if that level breaks, then the whole triangle basically is broken, and I would then see it more like a more direct pathway down. But, you know, the question at the moment is just, okay, is it a triangle? Is it going to move sideways for a bit and then come down? Or is it basically coming down here straight away in some kind of a diagonal pattern, maybe here in this C wave? So yeah, not very exciting at the moment. Overall, downside pressure should remain very high as long as the price stays below that 55.8 cent level that we've got there on the chart here. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.